Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best ski racks on Amazon. Skis, in particular, can be difficult to travel with. They're large and rather fragile, so you don't want to throw them in the backseat or trunk of your car. A convenient choice is to look for the best ski rack. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Thule Snowpack Snowboard. The Thule Snowpack ski snowboard carrier comes up in many recommendations for good reason. The company has made a reputation out of its quality, and this rack reflects that. You can order this rack in medium or large, so you can find the right size for the amount of gear you're carrying. The medium size holds 8 skis or 2 snowboards, and the large size holds 12 skis or up to 4 snowboards. You can also purchase the Thule Snowpack Extender if you need more space. This also holds 12 skis or up to 4 snowboards. The difference is that when you're using the extender, you can slide the rack out over the side of the car for unloading. This is especially helpful if you're short and have trouble reaching over a car roof. What we like about it: rubber arms help to keep this rack from scratching your car roof. T-track and speed-link mounting options are made to fit any car model. The oversized push button is made to be easy to operate with gloves on. Number 2. Rhino Universal Fitting Clamps. The Rhino rack carrier is another option that caters to almost any size you might need. These ski racks come with clamp-on mounting brackets that are made to fit most car models. They also use rubber molding. This lets you get a tight grip on your skis without worrying about if it will scrape or scratch them. These ski racks are made out of aluminum, so they're light and more durable in the face of rust. Rhino Rack has also weather-treated these ski racks so that they aren't damaged by water or UV rays. This also makes these mold-resistant. What we like about it: multiple sizes allow you to choose the perfect product for your quantity. Aluminum construction is durable, lightweight, and resistant to rust. The locking mechanism helps to keep your skis secure. Number 3. AA Products Aluminum Universal. The AA Products Aluminum Universal Roof Carrier is a large rack that can hold up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 snowboards. Specifically, it has a width of 33 inches, and you can also mix and match skis and snowboards underneath their maximum capacity. The main portion of the AA rack is made of aluminum. This helps to make sure your rack is weatherproof and durable enough to offer you many years of use. The rubber arms help to provide a tight grip that won't damage your winter equipment. It's also designed to help you carry other outdoor cargo when the slopes aren't in season. What we like about it: aluminum body is durable, lightweight, and rust-resistant. Rubber arms help to keep skis and snowboards safe from scratches and scrapes. Universal mount means it will fit on almost every make and model. Number 4. SportRack Groomer Deluxe. The SportRack Groomer Deluxe carrier is large enough to carry anything you might need on the slopes. It can hold 4 snowboards or a whopping 6 pairs of skis. Even better, this is a model with a universal fit, so you can use it on almost any car. If you have square, rounded, or factory racks, you won't have a problem installing this carrier. Installation is also simple. Taking it on and off your car will only take a few minutes. You'll also notice that this rack is pretty unassuming. It doesn't have a lot of bulk, and its design is simplistic. What we like about it: aluminum construction makes this a durable, lightweight, and rust-resistant choice. This rack is an affordable option that will last a long time. Number 5. Yakima FreshTrack Rooftop. The Yakima FreshTrack Rooftop Ski and Snowboard Rack gives you a choice between sizes. If you want to carry 8 skis or 2 snowboards, choose the FreshTrack 4 model. If you need more room, the FreshTrack 6 model holds 12 skis or up to 4 snowboards. This flexibility helps you choose what's just right for you. It also has a ski lift attachment which is made to help add clearance for tall bindings when needed. The design of the ski and snowboard mount is rather unobtrusive. What we like about it: 2 sizes are available: FreshTrack 4 and FreshTrack 6. Tool-free installation makes mounting this rack to your car very easy. The ski lift attachment helps you deal with tall bindings. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.